Hello children, I'm Rachel. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's begin by reading some phonemes that you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. The first flashcard says A and this digraph says E. Now it's your go. Are you ready? Off you go. Good job. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. A, E, I, O, U or R, or, ow, oi, ear, your, Now, mixing up time. I'm going to mix them up so they're in a different order. Let's see if you can still get them all right. Are you ready? Off you go. Well done. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Ow, oi, ear, I, A, E, O, U or R, or, your. Well done. Super sounds. Now let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Have a look at this one. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is A. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. S-A-L, sail. They all set sail on the boat. Have a go at this one. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, there it is again. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. T-A-L, tail. The dog wagged its tail. Now, can you spot the trigraph this time? Yes, there it is. Say each sound as I point. Now blend to read the word. T-I-T, tight. His jumper was too tight. Have a look at this one, last one. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, well done. There it is. The digraph is E. Say each sound as I point. Now blend to read the word. F-E-L, feel. I feel happy today. Well done. Great reading. Now I'm going to mix the words up so that they're in a different order. See if you can read the words on the cards without any help. I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Let's check. Read them with me. Feel, tail, tight, sail. Now today we are going to review. Can you remember what that means? Yes, we're going to practice some of the graphemes that we already know. Today we're going to focus on O, U and R. Let's practice saying those sounds. O, O, oo. oo. Ah, ah. Well done. Let's sound talk a word with the phoneme O. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. O, D. O, D. You'll go. O, D. Load. He carried the heavy load. Let's sound talk a word with a phoneme oo. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. B, oot. B, oot. You'll go. B, oot. Boot. The mud covered his boot. Now let's sound talk a word with a phoneme R. Copy me, say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. B, R. B, R. You'll go. B, R. Bar. She swung on the bar at the park. Now, let's read some words with those graphemes that we already know. Have a look at this one first. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is O. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. O-O-D. Load. He carried the heavy load. Can you spot the digraph? Good job. The digraph is O. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Soap. Soap. She washed her hands with soap. Good idea. Have a look at this one. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is oo. Say the sounds as I point. Now blend and read the word. Oot. Boot. Have a look at this one. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, there it is again. Oo. Say the sounds as I point. Now blend to read the word. Food. Food. Ooh, she had some delicious food. Have a look at this one now. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Well done. Yes, the digraph is R. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Hard. Hard. The pebbles on the beach were really hard. Last one. Have a look at this one. Can you spot the digraph? Well done. Yes, the digraph is R. Read each sound as I point. Now blend to read the word. B-R. Bar. She swung on the bar at the park. Great reading. Well done. Now I'm going to mix the words up so they're in a different order. And I want you to see if you can read the words on the card without any help. I want to hear you reading them aloud. Are you ready? Well done. Let's check. Read them with me. Boot. Soap. Load. Bar. Food. Hard. Now I'm going to mix them up again and let's see if you can read them again. But do you know what? I'm going to do it even faster this time as a bit of a challenge. Are you ready? I want you to read them aloud. Go. That was fast. Did you manage? Let's check. Let's read them together. Are you ready? Soap, bar, hard, food, load, boot. Fantastic reading. Good job. Well done, everybody. We are on fire today, children. Now let's learn to read some tricky words. We're going to practice reading some words that we already know today. We're going to read the words all and are. Let's start with this one first. You know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is here because it says or. Can you read the word? Well done. Let's read it together. Or, all. Brilliant. Now let's have a look at this one. Okay, you know how to read this tricky word as well. You've seen it before. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, well done. The tricky bit is here because these letters all say are. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Are. Well done. Now, let's read them quickly. I'm going to mix them up and I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Well done. Now let's read them together. Are, all. Did you get them right? Fantastic. Well done. Now let's read our sentences with our review graphemes O, oo and are. Have a good look at this one. Can you spot any of our review sounds? Can you see any? Well done. Here is oo and here is oo. Can you spot another digraph? Well done. Yes, here is Well done. What about any tricky words? Can you see one of our tricky words from today? Yes, all is a tricky word that we practiced today. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Off you go. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. She put on her boots to go and get all the food. I hope she got some yummy treats in the shopping. Now let's try a different sentence. Have a look at this sentence. Can you spot any of our review sounds? Have a good look. Yes, here is oo, here is are, and there it is again, and there is o. Can you see any other digraphs? Yes, we have got th and th. What about a tricky word that we practiced today? Can you see that? Yes, are is a tricky word that we practiced today. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Are you ready? Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. My boots are hard and I rub them with a bar of soap. That sounds a bit silly. I'm not sure it's a good idea to put soap on your boots. What do you think? Wow, let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it too. You'll need your paper and something to write with now. Are you ready? Let's spell 2 words from our review sound section. Let's spell soap. Segment the sounds with me. Soap. S-O-P. Let's count how many sounds there are again. S-O-P. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write soap, and remember we need 3 sounds. S. Need my digraph O. S-O-P. S-O-P. Soap. I'm going to hide it. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. And don't forget the digraph O. Are you ready? Let's check our spelling. S-O-P. Soap. Did you get it right? Great job. Well done. Now let's spell another one. Let's do hard this time. Segment the sounds with me. Hard. R-D. Let's count how many sounds there are. R-D. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write hard, and remember we need 3 sounds. Now we need my digraph R. Odd. Odd. Hard. I'm going to hide it. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. And don't forget the digraph R. Are you ready? Let's check. Odd. Hard. Did you get it right? Well done. Now let's spell some tricky words. We've spelt the word all before. Let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. All. Or. All. Let's count how many sounds there are. Or. All. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write all. Remember we need 2 sounds. It's tricky because the first bit says or. The or sound is written like this. And then we need the all. All, all, all. I'm going to hide it now. Are you ready? You have a go. Say the word. Say the sound. What's the tricky bit? The sound or is written with the letter A. Write them down. Are you ready? Let's check your spelling. All, all, all. Did you get it right? Good job. Let's try another one. We've spelled the word R before as well, but let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. R. Let's count how many sounds there are. R. That's 1 sound. Watch me write R, and remember it's tricky because A-R-E says R. So I need to write down 3 letters. Are you ready? R. hide it. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Can you remember the tricky bit? You need to write 3 letters. Let's check our spelling. R-A-R-E. R. Did you get it right? Well done, children. You worked so hard practicing reading and spelling today. See you next time for another lesson with letters and sounds. Bye.